Hello and welcome to this tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to make how to use skin modifier. We go first to edit mode and go to M and center and we use to then we go to 1 extrude 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 and then we go here extrude extrude and extrude, and now we're gonna select all with A and we go to skin modifier, and now it's kind of bulky and we can change this by clicking Ctrl A and we can change it. If it is like so, you can bara change it like so with the Ctrl A and drag the mouse so you don't get this kind of look.